I am Juan Gomez, PhD Neurobiology concentration at the University of Texas at San Antonio. This is a free, independent, non-profit video to facilitate understanding and education of neuroscience with the International Group of Neuroscience. Science must be done by everyone and for everyone. There is something surprising when studying the nervous system, the presence of electrical impulses everywhere. The music of the brain is played in discrete notes. Spikes are the digital language of neurons, the ones and zeros of computers. In general, a pulse in neuroscience or electrical engineering is a rapid transient change in a signal from a baseline value to a higher value, followed by a rapid return to the baseline. This is one spike, the pulse of neurons. We have three states. The initial is the resting state. The rapid increase and decrease is the activation state. We have a depolarization and then a repolarization. And finally, the third state is a state of hyperpolarization. Spikes are not only in the axon, the thin and long fiber of neurons. They are also in the dendrites. Axons and dendrites are tubes through which electrical currents can travel as if they were cables. In these cylindrical shaped structures, the nerve impulse spread by opening water holes for electric currents. In these pores reside the most striking characteristics of nerve impulses in the brain. They also generate tiny pulses of electrical current, even smaller than the action potentials, that add up to form the nerve impulse. Each of these small pulses of electrical current is generated in a single pore. By opening at the same time, they can generate the nerve impulse together. Depending on their position, the holes open at the same time, or one after the other, as a wave along the axon or dendrite. Impulses spread rapidly in this way. By analogy, suppose a nerve impulse is propagating through this flute. Depending on their position, the holes open at the same time, or one after the other, as a wave along the axon or dendrite. Impulses spread rapidly in this way. The pores have to open and close in synchrony as the impulse travels through the axon or dendrites.